Have you ever stretched a piece of PPF so hard it almost broke? Yet the coating didn't crack. Many people guess, is it because the film was cured for a longer time? In reality, it's not about curing time, it's all about the coating technology. Let us start with traditional PPF coatings. Conventional window films or basic PPF use UV-cured coatings. These coatings are hard, and when applied to TPU, they tend to develop microcracks under stretching. Today, premium PPFs use a more advanced technology called immersed coating. This coating penetrates deeper into the TPU base layer, greatly increasing tensile strength. Traditional coatings usually break at 120% to 140% elongation, which is when tiny cracks start to appear. With high-toughness immersed coatings, the film can stretch 180% to 200% or more, and even if the film itself breaks, the coating stays intact. So, when you see a PPF that won't crack no matter how hard you stretch it, the secret lies in its high-toughness immersed coating. Not curing time. For distributors and wholesalers, what does this mean for your market? It means more reliable products, easier installation, lower after-sales risk, and a stronger differentiation when selling in premium markets. If you want to learn more about PPF technologies, selection strategies, and global market trends, follow our channel for more professional insights and industry updates.